Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to encrypt with BitLocker in a very simple way. You can see Windows have lots of version called Home, Pro and lots of different version. So for that, some of version is not enabled or there is no functionality to enable the BitLocker by automatically by the functionality. But if you are using Windows Home, or you can simply check it, like you can simply search for system information, and as you can see in my PC, this is Windows 11 Pro downloaded and I have the full access to log into BitLocker. But if you're using Windows 11 Home or different version, then I will suggest you a very good app that can help you to encrypt or enable the BitLocker for your computer. So how are you going to do it? First, you have to come over into your Chrome browser or any of your favorite browser. And then here you just need to type iBoy Soft Disk Geeker for Windows. Click on that. And then you will get the first website over here. So if you click on the first website, and then here you will get the disk clone, disk space analyzer, disk wipe, BitLocker encryption, disk speed test, research partition or lost partition recovery. So I'm going to click on it, try it for free. And after a short time, as you can see, the download has been completed. And now if I go for this folder and try to unzip it by simply click on extract all, extract, and as you can see, the extraction is completed. And we're going to installer, click on the disk geeker installer. So before that, I will going to click on the right mouse button and going to click on run as administrator, click yes for the permission. And now if you set the install path in a different location, you can simply do it as well. But I'm going to keep it as it is and click install. And after that, you can see the downloading software components. There will be another permission, so I'm going to click on no. Okay. So as you can see, installing runtime component library. So it will take another quite seconds. So for that, keep patience. And as you can see, the iBoy Soft Disk Geeker is opened. Now close the website, and as you can see, using unique incremental clone and encryption clone technology, cloning is more efficient and safer. So now we will going to go for the BitLocker option and click on it and encrypt partition or BitLocker partition management. So encrypt the partition and going to click on local C drive. So this is not supported for the C drive, so we're going for the BitLocker partition over here. And going to click on the Z drive. As you can see, I already locked it by I'm using Windows Pro. That's why I can simply use the BitLocker by the default settings. As you can see, it's using the BitLocker option. So I cannot do it, but you can simply do it by simply click on lock, and you will get the option to do that. So if you want a dedicated video about this option, then you can simply comment me into the video below, and I will try to make another video about this topic, to how to encryption or how to encrypt this, how to use this app called iBoy Software Disk Geeker for encryption. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.